started just, you know, watching her videos. Like, I'm Yanni Red. So I was like, okay. A loctician in every sense of the word. He's knowledgeable, first of all, about locks.
It is an experience.
Hello, I'm Lee. I'm from Kentucky, and I represent Team Yanni Red.
I'm a licensed cosmetologist / natural hairstylist. Hey, it's the Yanni Red Show, starring Yanni Red. Oh. Hi everybody, this is the Yanni Red Show. Today we're conducting demos. You want to see what the stylists got, what can they do. You know, I got so many people that I know that need job skills and I can teach, so that's what I do. I would stop doing here, but I just can't because it's bigger than me. If I stop, then that means that some mouths might not get fed.
Yanni Red Show. The Yanni Red Show. The Yanni Red Show. Alright.
She had me laughing the entire time. We fed with laughter and giggles and all that.
I had an amazing time. She's very down to earth.
Yanni is so down to earth. She goes into everything, not only the hair, but business aspects of cosmetology. And I actually learned a whole lot, new techniques that I didn't think I could even do.
I like the way Yanni teaches her classes. She allows her students to flow and to use their creativity.
She's a very good teacher.
Yana is the master.
Yanni is the bomb.
Halfway through my Yanni's loctician course.
So what I was saying, people always say, like I've been trying to get people to come to you, and they spending $40 on a retwist, $40, $50 per retwist. I'm spending $120 or better.
Right.
And they're like, why are you paying so much money? Reason why is because my retwist is gonna last 3 times as long as yours, and you're gonna be done went back and got your hair done twice, maybe 3 times before I even go back to get my second retwist off of paying over $100. So we're actually spending the same amount.
Right.
I'm getting more quality work done initially.
And you getting to save more time because that's what people don't, you know, you don't get your time back.
Yeah, because like I come in and get my hair done, what, today, I won't probably see you for another 3 or 4 months.
Right.
And normal people don't went and got a retwist, what, every 6?
Yeah, especially in Atlanta, at least every 3 weeks, they in there. Your hair then got done, messed up in a week or 2 weeks, and then it looked like it ain't even been done in another week.
And then don't let your hair know if it's something you have to do, you're gonna go back and spend them.
My name is Dana, and I'm here to talk to you about my experience with Red Loctician Academy. What really drew me to it was that it was an online school that had hands-on, which was very important to me because I'm in an area where I would not be able to get a lot of hands-on training. I don't have to worry about being late to class or, you know, traveling anywhere, not having dinner ready. Yanni Red and the Red Loctician Academy has given me what I need to be a successful loctician in the industry. My clientele has gone up with the help of Yanni Red and her advice. Definitely the place to be. Red Loctician Academy. Red Loctician Academy, it was very hands-on, lots and lots of hands-on, very, very hands-on, which I definitely was looking forward to. Made dreadlocks, hair care, everything. Business in how to value yourself and value your own time. I am very confident in my styling abilities, my hair care abilities now, and that's coming from someone who has no experience. And Yanni Red and Red Loctician Academy has done that for me. I would recommend going to Red Loctician Academy, hands down. So shout out to Yanni Red, Red Loctician Academy, thank you.
And if you haven't signed up for this class, you should. She teaches you the basics, but the basic is extraordinary.
What more can I say but totally amazing. I remember my very first time taking the class with Yanni. We were on Hangouts, and my thing was I wanted to learn how to do the Z-stitch, and it was perfected just by her giving detailed instructions.
And I always say, I want her to teach me. I want her to teach me. 2019, I decided to take my lock skills seriously in Yanni's school.
I've never met Yanni in person. I've never laid my eyes on her. This is all online. So
I was able to do my basket weave. It was a style that I felt like I would never learn how to do, and just with quick, simple steps that she gave us.
And I recently decided to invest in myself and take some classes, and I came across Yanni Red. I've learned barrels, baskets, fishtails, inverted, reverted, pinwheel style, the correct techniques to not have tight styles, all these styles that I never would have thought I could learn. Palm roll, and not to mention it's all online. Like, all this was face-to-face, hands-on classes online. I've never seen her in person. Lock care, how to not let your locks be dry. The #1 cause is to break it. Information about starting my own business. Everything locks she covered.
Into the pandemic. It was quarantine and we were shut down, couldn't do hair, but I still had to make a way for my students.
Burn away our carbon beam, knock your legs off.
I just moved here, so I didn't know anybody. She helped me with the marketing. I was working as a home health person all the way up until the pandemic, and I did it a little bit after that. But after I had my son, I didn't go back to work. My confidence just was built enough for me to leave my job. She encouraged us to get our LLCs, like to really be self-sufficient. I've got enough clients now. She taught me how to price myself. I'm making more than what I was making at a full-time job, clocking in. And I only do one head a day, and that's probably 5 days a week. But she built all that up just from this course, and this was 90 days. And I didn't know anything. I came in not knowing anything. And then I also took advantage of the products. She helped me start my own product line. So I also have an online store where I sell my products, lock cream and oil. That brings in more than you realize, and that's working on its own. She breaks it down that easy where you can actually be over a Zoom like we are now, over a Zoom learning these styles. She has a way of teaching it to us. Like,
it took her less than an hour to build me a website, and guess what, you guys? Within like 20 minutes of her making my website, I got my first order. Like, I'm so excited. Like, it's only up from here. Yeah, check her out, you guys. Yanni Red. Thank you again.
You gotta come take Yanni lock and styling class. Whatever you think you know about styling locks, twisting locks, you don't have no idea. You gotta take Yanni's styling and lock certification, and you'll figure it all out from there.